severe thunderstorm warning for southern Madison County, northwestern Hancock County, northern Marion County, southeastern Hamilton County until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Indianapolis, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cumberland, Geist Reservoir, and Castleton around 1:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Indianapolis, Fishers, Lawrence, and McCordsville around 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Fort Hill around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Ingalls, Lippel, Pendleton, Anderson, and Markville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 110 and 120. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 223. Interstate 70 between mile markers 83 and 96. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Hancock, Madison, and Marion. The National Weather Service in Indiana